Hello friends, this is a second video to a 3-video series of plotting graphs with Python. In this video, we will be seeing a few basic commands which are used in Python. For installing Python 3, you may watch the following video. Few basic commands in Python. CLS open close parenthesis will clear the screen of the command window. CLF open close will clear the plot window. Print variable will print the value of the input variable. Question mark at the end of a command in IPython will display the documentation. Documentation is an help feature which is provided by IPython. Tab completion is also an important feature of IPython. Control key along with C will enable us to cancel an invalid input statement and return to the prompt. Also, Control key along with D will enable us to exit the Python interpreter. Now let's pause the video and take up the command window. Let me type IPython 3. The first input line, I want to clear the screen, so I am typing CLS open close parenthesis and press enter. This will clear the screen. Now let's try a few simple mathematical operations. 2 plus 3, press enter, you will get the output as 5. Here it is shown that this is the second line and this is the output which is 5. Now let's try print 3 plus 4. Press enter. You will see that there is nothing like output line. The only answer is printed here. Now let's see what documentation is. Type print and type a question mark. Press enter. Here it is written that this command prints the values to a stream. That is, here at the end when I have given question mark, that will give us the documentation of the command print. Now we'll see about tab completion. I am typing A and pressing the tab button twice. You can see a list of functions which are starting with A being shown. ABS, all, any, ASCII, a list of functions will be shown. Now we can see what ABS is. Type a question mark and press enter. ABS is a command which returns the absolute value of the argument. Now let's type PR and press the tab key twice. Here the only command which is starting with PR is the print function. So the only function which will pop to our screen will be print. Let's type print 3 star 4 and press enter to get the output as 12. Let's type print open brackets and press enter. You can see a dotted lines here and no input or output statement is being shown. This is because I have opened a bracket here but forgot to close it without any input values. To get the input line, we can press Control along with C. You will get the input line back. Similarly, if you want to exit the Python interpreter, you can press Control with D. A message will appear asking you, do you really want to exit? If you want to exit, you can press Y and press enter. Now let's check what the commands ABS and round does. As before, we have already seen what ABS does. ABS returns the absolute value of the input variable. Now the command round rounds a number to a given precision. If the precision is not given, then the default value is 0. Working of ABS. If we put ABS 9, then the output will be 9. If we input ABS of minus 10.5, then the output will be 10.5. What does the round function do? Round 2.484 will give us the integer which is nearest to 2.4.4, which is 2. Now 2.484 comma 2 will round the number to 2 decimal digits, which is 2.48. Let's clear the screen, CLS. Let's try with ABS. ABS of 3.45 will return the positive value 3.45. Now let's type in a negative number and see what it does. Gave me an error because I have written 78. Let me see, ABS of minus 2.345. 2.345. Let me clear the screen once again. Let me type round and a question mark. This will give us the documentation. As we have seen, round a number to a given precision in decimal digits. If no decimal digits is given, the default is 0 digits. Let's try round 10.98. This will give us 11. Round 10.98, 1. This will give us 11.0. Now let's try round 10.9876, 2. This will give us 10.99. This is how round works. Now let's clear the screen. Let's exit the interpreter by pressing Ctrl and D keys. Type Y, press Enter. These are a few exercises which you can try it out on your own. Thank you for watching. This is Mary Elizabeth Anthony from Maruth College.